If you're considering buying security cameras for your home or small business, or if you want to install or upgrade your home surveillance system, then here are 4 tips to help you do so. Tip number 1 is camera placement. When it comes to installing your security cameras, it is important to know where to install them. Whether you be installing your cameras outside a business or outside a house, it is important to cover every entry point. Every camera should be facing the entry points, so you are able to see people who are coming and going from the building. Now, if you're wanting to monitor an expensive good or electronics, then the camera should be directly facing the asset. Tip number 2, avoiding compromising locations. If you're interested in placing your cameras inside, then you should be cautious of where you place your cameras. Bedrooms and bathrooms can be a bad place to put security cameras because people don't know they're being recorded. You should also be aware of where your outdoor cameras are pointed. It is important that your cameras are only facing your property and not your neighbors to avoid privacy concerns. Tip number 3, knowing privacy regulations. It is important to understand your local regulations because they can differ from state to state. A good way to declare you have a security camera is to get a sign stating that your property is being monitored. This will let visitors to your home or business know they are on camera when they enter your property. Sometimes postings can be legally required, depending on the state, so it would be a smart decision to have one. The final tip that I have for you today is cybersecurity. If you use internet-enabled devices with your security cameras, then you should operate on a separate network for regular home use. You should do this in order to add another layer of security. If something does happen on the home side use of the network, your security system won't be compromised. It is also important to know when updates are available and to monitor them so you know that they aren't harmful. Well, those are the 4 tips that will help you with buying a security system for your home or small business, and they will also help you with installing and upgrading your home surveillance system. If you have any questions, then just leave them down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.